Hey guys, in the first part of this series I went through setting up Clio and then using it together with GitHub and DigitalOcean. In this part I will try to deploy a very simple website, as you can see here, to Amazon Web Services. I've never used it before, so can Clio really assist me with this? I have already built the website and it's not more than just a simple front page and an about page. So it isn't very impressive, but it's enough for this tutorial. So it just looks like this with a static front page, and the about page is also very static. So the prerequisite for this tutorial is that you have an OpenAI API key, you need to have Clio running on your computer, and you need an account on AWS. So let's just go to the command line and start Clio, and that was it. So now I have it running, and I know that my AWS account is up and running as well. So let's try to connect these to each other. So let's try just asking, can you help me connect with AWS? Sure, boom. If you have a credential already, I can guide you through the process of configuring. Yes, I would like to proceed with that. So open a terminal, run, configure. Okay, so it's just giving me a very simple guide on how to do this. So everything seems to be installed. AWS is installed. If not, it will probably just giving me a guide on how to do that. And then let's say that this is done now. Let's try to see if can you connect to my AWS account and see what services I have running. Just want to see that it is actually running. So no, I need to connect it. Okay, it is now connected. Can you confirm that I'm connected? Yes, I want to run this. Clio bucket, yes, it seems like I actually am connected to AWS now. Perfect. So to me, it seems like there are plenty of different ways to deploy a simple site on AWS. And as stated previously, I've never done this. So I will simply just ask what she recommended me to do. I have never deployed a site to AWS before. Can you guide me through this? Nice. Okay, so here are some simple steps that I need to follow. I need to begin by creating an S3 bucket. Okay. One, you can call it Clio testing. Yes, please run this for me. Failed. Okay, it's already taken. Okay, can you call it Clio testing Stein? Yes, please run this. That should hopefully be unique enough. Okay, upload your website file. If you don't have any files ready, you can create a simple for testing. In the folder I am right now, there are two files called index.html and about.html. Can you upload them for me? Okay, yes, please run this. So now it's actually uploading the index.html. I want to do the same with upload. Perfect. Nice. And now it looks like it's going to configure the bucket for website hosting. Yes, I do not know exactly what this is, but I think it's correct. So it's setting the index document to be index.html and public ready get object. Yes, please just go ahead and do this. Yes. So as you can see, for every command it's trying to do, it asks me for permission to run this. I could actually just copy this and run it for myself if I wanted to, but I want her to run this for me. So there was an error now, but it looks like she's trying to fix this. Yes, run this. So here it looks like she ran the wrong command, but she knew how to fix this. You can now access the website there with the correct... but what is my region? What is my region? Yes, please, US West 2. So let's open up this in Chrome. And as you can see here now, this is actually live now. If I click this one, I'm sent to the About page. If I go back here, I'm on the front page. Nice. So that was very quick and fast. This is the first time I've done it. I have not read any sort of documentation or anything, so that's very cool that she was able to fix this for me. Can you change the title of the index.html file to be I am deployed and upload the files again? Yes, please read this. As you can see here now, she renamed the title to I am deployed. Cool. Hopefully it's not too long, this file now. Uploading it. And yes, please do this. Yes, upload the file again. Okay, so everything seems to be okay. Let's refresh. And now the title up here is I am deployed. So I could also just redeploy now. And how cool is that? First of all, I have now deployed my first site on AWS and it's also working. Plus I did it without running any sort of commands from my computer. I just used plain English. If I wanted to, I could write this in Norwegian, which is my native language, or Spanish, or whatever you want. Awesome. In the next part of this series, I will use Clio to build a simple static blog and then deploy it to AWS again. But this time, I will make it more advanced by including GitHub, Docker, and similar. See you in the next video.